Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to remove chlorine buildup from a kettle. Start by filling the kettle halfway with equal parts water and white vinegar, then bring it to a boil and switch off. Let the solution sit for 1 hour to loosen deposits, then pour out and rinse thoroughly 3 times. For stubborn stains, boil a lemon slice in fresh water and scrub gently with a soft sponge to finish. Begin with an empty kettle and a quick rinse to remove loose particles, then add a 1 mix of white vinegar and water and bring it to a boil. Turn off and allow the mixture to sit for about an hour so it can break down chlorine deposits and mineral scale. After soaking, pour out the solution, rinse the kettle well, then boil fresh water twice and discard to ensure no taste remains. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy a simpler kitchen routine, the Echo Dot smart speaker can bring music, timers, and hands-free help while you clean your kettle. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one and pick up tips while you listen. Now let's get back to the video. If you prefer a milder approach, cut a lemon and boil it in the kettle with water to release natural acids that neutralize chlorine and freshen the interior. For tougher buildup, a baking soda paste applied with a soft cloth can lift residue without damaging metal. Commercial descalers are efficient for heavy scale, but always follow label directions and rinse thoroughly to remove any chemical traces before boiling water for drinking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.